know it's 6 a.m. in the morning, but I'm no fool. My disguise is pure legit. And yours looks like crap.
Come on now, Jed. Look, I got some bird right on my hat, and then I got a sweater from my bird dog, Blue. You all can see Blue, right? Yeah, it says on it, look at it, look at it, look at it. It says, I love birds. Yeah. Hey, how'd you hear about this here Audubon Society bird watching gig? I thought I was the onlyest one clever enough to come undercover for the NRA.
You call that stiff leg of yours clever? What do you got in there anyway?
No, man, it ain't the leg. It's the cane. Yeah, see, I had a guy that I know, he built in a shotgun. He did a cane, yeah, and not only that, it's got a silencer on it, man. Yeah, it's like 007, man. It's like, damn.
A shotgun with a silencer. I never heard of such an animal.
Yeah, animals ain't got a chance, man. It's like a deer in a headlight. You know what I'm saying? It's like, oh, you know.
Oh, that's bad, man. I kind of like it. Can you imagine the last Iberville woodpecker in the world? That sucker again for another 2 million
Yeah,
years.
3 million, man. Woo! Hey, what you got in your pocket there?
Oh. This is my tranquil water. Woo! It's a potent little weapon. Put a few drops in that lake over there.
Huh?
Any duck or goose that sets down in it goes to sleep instantly. What? All I gotta do is rake them in with a long pole net. That's what I call research. Right into my kitchen.
Woo! That's way cool, man. I like that. But you know, what about all the other things that's out in that lake there? Don't they go to sleep?
No worries, man. They wake up again after a while.
They do. Let's see what my next line is.
No worries.
No worries, man. They wake up again after a while. Come on, what's the next line?
Oh, it's too early.
Oh, it's too early in the morning. I could get some sleep here.
Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome. You're here for the annual bird count.
Yeah.
You know, it's very important. We have to mark down every species and the number of them, too.
Yeah. No problem, lady. I got everything I need to track all them animals and birds. Yeah, right here in my cane. Yeah.
Now,
Calm down here, Ernie. I might have to give you a little shot of my drink.
I don't know. Come on, guys. You got to calm down. You're here for the Audubon Society. Now, let's just get to bees' nest.
Bees nest? What? Your sense of humor leaves a little something to be desired, honey. So, what's my next line? Well, Jed, if you weren't so dang bald, maybe I could see which way the wind was blowing, so as I could, tell where the birds might be coming from.
Look, a scarlet ibis.
Hey!
They're really rare in these parts.
Hey, look over yonder, lady.
What?
There's a bird I've never seen before.
I don't know.
Go get him, Boo. Oh, he just went down over that hill.
So where's the scarlet ibis? And where is your dog?
Oh, I don't know about that there bird, lady. It just kind of disappeared, And my dog, well, he loves birds, so he probably went looking for it. He's a better bird watcher than Jed here.
Oh, shut up, Snagglepuss. Anyway, I'll let one up into you, and you'll be wishing the wind was blowing the other way. Hey, that reminds me of a song my pappy used to sing with me. You want
I know that
How many times must a man look up before he sees what he's done? And how many times will his anger flare before he reaches for his gun? And how many times will his stick fill the air until it blots out the sun? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind.
Don't be taking no pictures. Don't be taking no pictures.
I think we need better assurance for who comes to the Audubon Society for our yearly bird count. Yeah.